100 Filipinos on LinkedIn. Wow! Let's check it out! Looking good! Okay, so super duper thank you to Miss Virginia Bautista for spearheading the celebration of the top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn. Thank you to Bless Baluyot and the rest of the organizing team. Special thanks to Modern Ad and Promo Incorporated for this fabulous hoodie. And thank you, Marketing in Asia. And to the rest of the other Filipinos on LinkedIn, congratulations! I look forward to meeting all of you in person soon. Bye!